Hello everyone, this is Mildred, and also known as Millymil, from Sweet Sugar Plum Home. I know y'all haven't seen me video stuff for a long time, but I'm going to try to come to y'all every week, okay? Even if I don't do a decor. But we're back outside, and you know it's springtime, and I hope everybody did their spring cleaning, and you guys know how to do the spring cleaning, right? If you're allergic to some of these Lysol, these heavy cleaning solution, try some vinegar, baking soda and lemon, okay? That do natural cleaning. So we outside now. The last thing I think I showed y'all was the Easter day decor. And then now I'm showing y'all the outdoor decor, okay? Where you can come out, sit on your porch, and look at these beautiful flowers that's blossoming. Look at this, y'all. Only y'all that have followed me, y'all know that the cherry blossom was planted about 2 years ago, or maybe, I think it was during the pandemic, or maybe before the pandemic. But look how much this plant has grown, this flower has grown. Okay, it's taking bloom now. As you can see, it's still some more coming up. This is cherry blossom. The ones that would follow me know that they watched me planted this cherry blossom bush. So we have the mums here. We have gladiators here. We got all kind of plants in here. Some of them I don't even remember the name of them, y'all, because well, over here we have the pinna. These beautiful roses here. And I think these are just grass, so I'm going to cut those down. So what I did was I didn't go in here and clean yet because I didn't know what was going to be flowers and what was going to be weed at that time. So these are the beautiful ones that comes up every year, y'all. Look how beautiful they are. They're getting bigger and bigger. See, they haven't really fully bloomed yet. Some of them have bloomed, some have not. And I think a lot of y'all know what these are. Yeah, you're right, pinna. Okay, so they're beautiful roses. And then we got this one that's going to come up, and I'm going to surprise y'all with some of these plants, some of these flowers. I won't even tell y'all the names. I'll come back out when some of them finish blooming. You come around here, y'all. Y'all know we need some cleaning. There's flowers underneath here. So I'm going to have to trim this down, y'all. See, there's flowers underneath there. It haven't bloomed yet, but that's one right there. That's a flower here. I think it's a gladiator or either a lily. Might be a lily. And these are the ferns. They're coming up really beautiful, y'all, this year. Remember last year? It's getting kind of woolly and bushy over here now, so I got to trim them down, okay? So these are the ferns. And y'all know ferns are hard to find. Here, upstate New York, I don't know who planted these ferns, but I transferred from one spot to another. And this is how they were growing really crazy since I transferred them. They're just growing like haywires, you know. So here we got the ivy. It's coming up. Ivy is coming up. And there's some more plants, more flowers here. As y'all can see, one here. Haven't bloomed yet. And this is the ivy. And believe it or not, I don't even know why, but the ivy has transferred itself over here. It's behind the fern, look. I don't know how he got over there, but he's over there, or she's over there, or it's over there. Okay, so we got one that's gonna bloom soon. These are beautiful, and I want y'all to think about what flower this is going to be. Okay, I'm not even gonna tell you. I'm just gonna surprise you. This one has a different leaf, so you know that this one is not the same as this one. Lilies, yeah, okay. If y'all want to say lily, fine. So y'all see what happened with the ivy. For some reason, it actually transferred itself to other spots, growing. Believe it or not, it was planted down in here, but now he's growing 3 different spots. And if you go down in here, this won't bloom until about September because I think these are the mums. And then we got some, see, there's some weed in here. There's a lot of weed in here, y'all. Just take the gloves and pull them up, y'all. You know what I mean? Just pull these weeds up. When you know it's weed, you can pull it up. When you don't know if it's weed or not, be careful. Because I had people that told me that they actually literally forgot what they planted and pull up their flowers by accident. You see? So that looks better, right, y'all? So you take them and make sure y'all have some gloves on, okay? And there's another flower coming up here, y'all. I don't know if y'all can see it. But just pay attention to some of these things are weed. This is definitely weed, y'all. So just pull it up as much as you can. Shake some of the dirt off of it. These are weed. You see? Weed. Wow, weed. So now I can see where the weed is at. I can see where my flowers are blooming at. So this is weed. So we're going to pull this weed up. Okay, and see what else is down in here. I hope I didn't pull up a plant though, because sometimes the plants is hiding underneath the weeds. So be careful. Be very careful pulling up these weeds if you can't remember what you planted. Okay, y'all. Okay. Yeah, this is making your home a sweet sugar plum home. You can come home, sit on your porch, and look at this beautiful garden that's blooming in front of your eyes. You see, it's beautiful. Look at it. Isn't this beautiful, y'all? And yeah, there's a plant in here, you're right. There's one here that's in the pot. Yeah, you're right. There's one in here. But I'm not going to tell y'all what it is, but I'm going to bring it back and show y'all when it finished blossoming. So I'm going to put them back there and hide them here and take up some of these weeds. It's a lot of weeds. I'm just hoping I'm not pulling up some of the baby flowers because sometimes they grow. Oh Lord, I hope this is not a plant. Oh no, this is not a plant, y'all. You can tell it when they start to blossom, y'all. Everybody, you can see your flowers from the weed. Now you see how I just pulled that out, and I got to finish cleaning this whole flower bed out. And what we're gonna do next is we're gonna get some mulch. I hope I'm pronouncing it right. Mulch. What is it? Mulch. Nene, what is it called? Mulch?
It's mulch.
Mulch, yeah,
yep,
mulch.
You're saying it right.
Or you could get rocks or whatever you want to put in here and keep them, good for the summer. You could even get the weed liner. But see, the weed liner is going to be difficult for a lot of y'all. When you have a lot of plants like this, you got to make holes. You have to get that weed liner to line up around all these plants. I had one in here, but it got old, so I had to take it up. So these are plants. I think this is a plant here too, y'all. But I know this is a weed. Yeah, this is a weed. Yeah, these are all weed. You see, and just pull them up. You can pick them out with your hand, but make sure you have on gloves because you don't know what some of these weed are. You might be allergic to it. Okay, you see, look, I kept one of my thing, but I don't know which one it goes to. It says rosary miniature roses, but where are they? I don't even know where they are. But anyway, we'll just stick it down here until they come up. We just leave it down in the garden, and when they come up, we'll find them. Okay, because I know how they look. So just pull up as much of these weed as y'all can, so y'all can see y'all flowers blooming. And like I said, be careful because sometimes, like you see that one right there, I'll give you an example. Look at this one. This is a flower. But you may pull it up as a weed, but this is a flower. It's going to grow a little bigger. Now, sometimes they hide behind these weeds. So, got to pull up these weeds. I know what y'all saying, but you have to get these weeds out. And, yeah, it could be an all-day job, you're right, but no. Just take your time and go through it. You get these weeds up. People that can do landscaping by themselves. You don't have to bring somebody in. Don't have to be rich now. Just be middle class, upper class. They do these things themselves. Okay, y'all, I see a big one in here. Let's go in for this big weed. Watch out now because you don't want to step on anything. Look at this one, y'all. This is big. I know this is a weed. Look, we just pulled that up. At least we hope it is a weed. Okay, but we got flowers under here too. So when I trim down this bush, yeah, this is my own homemade garden, you're right. I did this all by myself, y'all are right. Only thing is I forgot to label some of my flowers. So I kind of lost track of some of my flowers, but as y'all can see, they're blooming. Look at the rose bush, It still got some more to bloom. Let me see if we get a good picture of it. Isn't that pretty? Look at that. Ain't they beautiful? That's a cherry blossom. People who have been with me for 3 years know about this cherry blossom bush. It was just a little baby, and look how big it is. Watching my videos. Subscribe to my channel. If you want to see more simple decor ideas for Sweet Sugar Plum Home, making your home comfortable with simple ideas. Simple ideas. Would you believe it? And this is what you can get. And like you said, a lot of people don't have the green thumb. Sometimes you don't have to have it. Just put it down the ground under direction. You know, go to a Home Depot, go to a garden factory that sells plant. They'll tell you how deep it has to be down the ground. And even if you don't have the green thumbs, it'll grow. Believe me, if you plant it right. And you plant it through the right season. So, I want to show y'all one more time these beautiful pink pinna. These are so pretty. See, some of them is not even bloomed yet. I think they started to bloom about 2 weeks ago. And this is June, or what, 4th? I'm not sure what day it is. But this is, they're still blooming. Look at that, still blooming. Okay, they look like little big cotton balls. June the 5th. So, this is Sunday, June the 5th. And as you can see, they started coming up just like these little balls I showed you here. And some of them haven't even blossomed yet. And some have. They're beautiful. So if you want to see more of my simple ideas, decor ideas at your home to make your home comfortable, follow me. Subscribe to my channel, my YouTube channel. And I'll appreciate that. And I'll try to come on y'all more often. With the pandemic, it's so hard because we're trying to get to pre-pandemic before all of this stuff happened. We hopefully we are now in post-pandemic, but still, you know, we got to work. We got to put food on our tables. We got to keep our homes clean. We got to keep our homes comfortable. We got to be relaxed. We got to have peace of mind coming home. And what is this a pleasure to come to? Look at this, y'all. What a pleasure. So I'll be coming back with y'all with the rest of the blossoming. There'll be more blossoming. As y'all can see, there's more plants that's going to blossom. I believe that the pinna goes to sleep maybe at the end of June. I'm not sure. Those ones there, yeah, I think they go to sleep. Those are grass, y'all. I got to take those out, but I don't have the clipper right now with me. But this is grass. These are grass. Weed, matter of fact, weed. I should say weed. It's like wildflowers or something, but I really don't want them in here. These are weed. So we're gonna take those out. But right now, I don't want to keep y'all away from y'all time and y'all patient watching me, giving y'all simple ideas on what to do. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is take the weed that I pull out. Can y'all see? Isn't this a lot of weed, y'all? Okay, and we're gonna put this in the garbage. But signing out, Mildred from Sweet Sugar Plum Home. Please subscribe to my channel if you want more simple ideas for comfort in your home. That's why I say Sweet Sugar Plum Home.